What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be covering the last part of our head series in Blender with a basic tutorial on rigging and shape keys to create a full setup for animation, mainly for the head. Together we will be looking through different shape keys as well. We will be doing blinking shape keys, vowel shape keys, and phonemic shape keys, which will later go on into the process of this entire video. But to begin, this will be an intermediate Blender tutorial, so it's not for beginners. This is not for beginners. This is for intermediate people who have a well-versed understanding of Blender and have an idea of what all the tools in Blender, the UI and stuff. So if you want a beginner's tutorial, you could watch Blender Guru or Blender or somebody who created any videos on basic tutorials on making stylized characters. So now what I want to say is that this video will be in 3 parts, and I will put it together in a full tutorial, which might be 1 hour. Then everything will be good. The first video will cover rigging the head. The second video will cover the shape keys, and the last video will cover making drivers and for the shape keys using an add-on. Alright, so before the video begins, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want more tutorials in the future, make sure to comment down below more tutorials so that I will make more in the future. So now, with no further ado, let's get into the video.
In 1 week, and this video will mainly focus on drivers, making drivers, setting up the face rig and those stuff. But there's certain add-ons I will be using in this video that will help you fasten up the process. There's an add-on by this creator. I'll show the creator on screen because I can't remember the name of my head right now. And there's AutoRig Pro. AutoRig Pro is the best one out of all of them. Out of all the rigging add-ons, AutoRig Pro is the best one, and there is a way to get for free, but I will tell you to join the Discord and figure it out yourself. You can probably find it at some archive in a Discord. I don't know, but yeah. And the other add-on is BsMax, which will allow you to set up the joysticks and make drivers for your rig. Okay, basically what you need is your anime head. What you want to do is separate the eyes, the teeth, and the tongue. This is important because this is important for AutoRig Pro to do the automatic weights for these parts. And it makes it easier for the software to do it well instead of being a whole match, because then you'll have to go back later on to do some weight painting, but you still end up having to do weight painting. It'll just lessen the workload. That's what I'm trying to say. Lessen the workload that happens. But what you're gonna do is select everything. But firstly, we have to make sure that we install all these add-ons, because this is the add-on that we use to make the drivers. So what I want to do is make sure that you have it. So what you will do, as any add-on, you go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and you add AutoRig Pro. You go from here to install from this, and you install it from this, and the BsMax one. Okay, so this is the BsMax one. This is the creator of the BsMax one. You can search him up on Twitter. You can search him up on on your browser, you will find the first link to the GitHub and you just download from the GitHub. I could even do a tutorial after this where you could download it if you want to. But all you do is just import it into the thing and then save it. So select everything, select the headphones, select everything else. Go to the AutoRig Pro section. AutoRig Pro gets started with selected, and this time, since we're not doing full bodies, since we're only focusing on the face, we'll do facial one. So this will start the facial setup. So you'll add a chin area. The chin area is right there, and add facial. Now it will just carry you over here. Just go back to material preview. You go over here and you just line this up. This is the ear part, so you just line this up with the ear. Now the face, like this will be the cheek area, so you just have to put the lines for the cheek area. The nose is already in place. The eyebrows, set up the eyebrows like this. Make sure it line up. And lastly, the eye. What I do is just scale it down on the Z, scale it on the X a little bit, shift it across, put this point here and this point. I'm just going to show you, and then you put right onto the eyebrows. Like these parts right onto the eyebrows, and these for the lower lid right over here. And now what you want to go do now is this on this section here, add the eyes. This will be the eyeball. You'll just say one because it's one mesh with two eyes. AutoRig Pro will detect that, so you don't really need to separate them unless you want to separate them and do that. That's you, I guess. And this is the tongue. You select the tongue and you select the teeth. But something I forgot is let me just exit out of here, is apply the mirror modifier. So before we even do anything, we just apply all the mirror modifiers. Good. So now that all the mirror modifiers are applied, you click on this back and just go back to edit mode and it will just bring this back up. So now we just show through the teeth. And the teeth will go here. And now we just gotta line up the mouth. The mouth will line up. Just line it up below the lips a little bit. And above the lips here a little bit. So it just looks like this. Now we press OK. And now we press, if we want to do, make sure we overwrite the rig because this is important. And press go. Now we have the full setup. This is how it looks from the connection to the chin, and everything looks fine. Everything looks exactly how it's supposed to be. Now we are just doing match rig, and we have this. This is a setup. Now I'm just gonna move this over here. Move this over here because this is the control. This is the custom shapes. Actually, wait, just what I'm gonna do is just move this back down here, move this in here, so it'll just be like that. Alright, so now what you're gonna do is select everything here. Wait, delete this first. Select everything here for your anime head, then select the rig glass, and now, well, shift select the rig glass, and now what you wanna do is gonna put it in this view so it looks nice. And now you want to bind it with heat maps. You do not want to bind it with any of these because then the lips will open up. So don't use Volix or don't use Volix heat diffuse. Only use heat maps because heat maps gives a better result. Now we quickly bind. It took like 1 second for me to bind this because I have a good PC, but it might depend on how good your PC is. So now we have the eyes. Just have the eyes here. Let me deselect that. Okay, for anime eyes, it doesn't really work too well, but it's okay, I guess. I mean, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine because we could just do this automatically with our own shape keys. We don't really have to study about that. What I'm going to do is put this in front so we can see the shape, the bones. Yeah, this. Okay, so it is decent. I guess it's decent for the tutorial. And this is the go up. Wait, this is the. Is this actually supposed to close the eyelid? Or is it not working too well? Hold on. Let's go back into edit mode. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a trick here that actually automatically fixes the. So we rotate this on the X, put this above here, rotate this 90 degrees on the X, well, negative 90 degrees on the X because I work in the negative values on my blender. Match the rig again and see if it fixes the problem. Let's try this. It kind of fixes the problem, I guess, but we could just do all manual shape keys and it should work. We don't really need to rely on rig that much, only for like the mount, because the mount actually is pretty good. No complaints about the